Hey there, thanks for watching my Bling review by Flair. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. And this review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you guys want to quit chasing your sales and start building a profitable online business, be sure to click the instant access link in the description below to get your first 12 steps for free. If you guys find value in this video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. Now let's see what Bling promises us. We are never going to have to worry about traffic again. Revealed, this simple 3-click app makes them $222.70 per hour by exploiting a secret Instagram hack. Now it's your turn to replicate their results in just 57 seconds. It's newbie friendly, no technical skills. You're going to activate free traffic within seconds and send traffic anywhere. As usual, on the right, they have a bunch of bullet points that don't really tell you what this product is. And if we scroll down to the testimonials of this particular product, we will recognize some of the names that we see. So Jamie Lewis, I've done reviews on some of his products. Mosh Bari, David Kirby. These guys are fellow product vendors and they have products that actually compete with this product. So why would these vendors go through the trouble of promoting each other's products over and over again, even though their products compete? If we look at Flair on Munchai, this is how he makes his money. Him and his fellow vendors put these products out over and over again and sell them to you in the hope that they will finally do what they promise on the sales pages. Here we are inside the Bling dashboard. When you come in, this looks very familiar to several products I've done reviews on, with the exception of this one is specifically for Instagram. When you come in, the first thing you'll want to do is look at your training. And in this case, the training and the case studies page are exactly the same. When you come into the members area for the training, you find out that this is Team Black Belt. So it is Flair and these other two gentlemen. It takes a little bit to get to the training. And this actual first training is just Instagram training. It's a young lady I've never heard of who goes through these points in her videos with a case study, some traffic, audience, conversions, how to put together posts and stories. The next section is the Make Money Online niche training. Again, it's more setting up your Instagram and how to do your traffic, which isn't traffic at all. It really is them just telling you how to research other posts for hashtag and information to use within your own niche. Some of your profile, your influencer marketing. There is absolutely no training in here whatsoever on how to use Bling. They also don't talk about affiliate products in here. And if that's something you guys needed any more training on, feel free to click the link to the video above about the Digistore 24 products to promote, where Kim shows you guys how to go in there and do a little bit of research to choose a product. There's also a bonus section at the bottom, and they do give you a hashtag trending generator. After you've imported your Instagram account, you would come into the hashtag generator and choose your account. They do tell you that you can put multiple accounts in here, but the first upsell is an unlimited package, so there will be limitations in the front end. You would put the keyword you're looking for in search, and it does pop up some previous posts with that hashtag in it, and you can look at the statistics to see if that's something you would like to use, either for inspiration or to repost. If we go into Instagram posting, you can come in and create a new post. You have the option to choose an image or a video. You can put it in by URL or upload it. If you choose the image option, they do give you an image editor. Once you select the picture, it pops up. If you click on that editor, they do give you some options to change any image that you have uploaded. Put any kind of text or shapes or icons on there. If you do the video, if you click on the picture, you cannot edit this. So this is not a video editor. This is simply an image editor. This does seem to be just a basic editor that they have put in here for your convenience. But if you guys stick with me, I will tell you what our favorite graphics editor is and why it could benefit you if you're looking to use Instagram as your strategy for affiliate marketing going forward. Once you've named your campaign, written anything you want in the caption, you have the option to choose which Instagram account to post this to. And if you choose not to post it now, this is where you would schedule it. You could choose the time zone, whether you want to repost it and how often. And that is the same for the video editor as well. Next, we would look at our post calendar. This looks like most of the others I've seen. You can see any of your upcoming posts and the days that they're coming up. There's nothing wrong with this. Next, you get into the section where you're automating your replies and your comments. As a newbie affiliate marketer, I highly recommend that you personally comment and reply in your Instagram account so that you know what your audience wants, what they are talking about, what they want to know about. You can get a ton of information by doing this yourself, and it helps you to learn how to work Instagram strategically. If you are automatically replying and commenting to all of your followers, you don't really know what they want, what they came there for, or what they're talking about. If you wanted to set an automatic reply, you would come in and create new. We'll look at one that's already done. You would fill out the relevant information and then save. Same thing with the comment template. Name it, fill out the relevant information. Then you would come to create campaign. You would choose the post that you want to apply the auto comment or the auto reply to. Click the settings button, and then you would be able to apply that here on the right. You also have some other statistics in here that you can go in and take a look at. And campaign report again will be some more statistics for you. So before I go into some of the free options that I have found for Instagram posting and scheduling, let's talk about the strategy that Bling actually wants you to use. This is an Instagram content creator, scheduler, and poster. They do give you the option to edit some of your posting and to set up auto replies and auto comments if you think that's the best strategy for your Instagram business. But if you're a newbie marketer and you're trying to start affiliate marketing and you want to use Instagram as your traffic strategy, this is going to take a lot of time and research so that you can get yourself into the right space for your audience. And maybe then you can do it 30 minutes a day, but initially you need to take the time and the energy to do it right. So why Instagram? If we look at this article on affiliatemarketinginformant.com about how to get traffic for affiliate marketing, one of the things that Kim tells us about social media traffic and Instagram is that it's a mobile-based and visual-based social media network. It has gained more popularity with affiliate marketers in the last few years and can be a good way to get traffic for affiliate marketing. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with using Instagram. It is owned by Facebook and it does work a little bit differently. The biggest difference is that you can't embed links in your Instagram posts, but you can include affiliate links in Instagram stories once you have 10,000 or more followers. And you will also need an Instagram business account to do this because that's where you get some of your best statistics from. So how to get traffic for affiliate marketing from Instagram? You need to build a loyal audience, tell people to click on the link in your bio, use your link to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing website or offer, and include your links in the Instagram stories once you reach enough followers. Here, Kim tells us it's important to note that Instagram has a younger audience and you need to pay attention to the people you are targeting. But with an Instagram business account, you have that capability already built into the app, so you won't need to go anywhere else to get that. And as you can tell, based on these statistics, there's no way you're going to be able to replicate their results in just 57 seconds with Bling. So if you are going to use Instagram, how often do you need to post? I found this article on louiseM.com, and if we scroll down to the Instagram portion, you can see it is generally recommended to post at least once per day and no more than 3 times per day on Instagram. She even goes on to tell us how often you should update your Instagram, which is once a week, 3 times a week, or once or twice a day. You should avoid sharing a bunch of posts in quick succession or disappearing completely for weeks at a time. She also gives you a few action points about getting some Instagram post ideas and planning out a week's worth of posts. And if you guys are interested, Kim's actually put together 5 advanced ways to find hundreds of ideas for content. Ours is geared specifically towards YouTube, but this would actually work for any kind of social media content. Feel free to click that link to the video above. You also need to consider your sizes, which if you use some of the programs I'm going to tell you about, that's already factored in. Pick an effective group of Instagram hashtags that you can do straight from Instagram. And you can also figure out the best time to post in your Instagram platform as well. When it comes to an Instagram scheduler, you can find several of them free online. I found this article on softwaretestinghelp.com. They go on to give us 14 different options of schedulers. And as you scroll down, the first option they show us is Combine or Combine. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it is a free option. And they actually give you some comparison options so that you can take a look. Not all of these options are free, but they do go over some of the pricing. If you're interested in that, this is linked below. Somewhere in the training for Bling, they do tell you to use Canva, which is actually why it confuses me why they gave you an editor in Bling, because the training tells you to use Canva, which I highly recommend. Canva has all kinds of templates for all different social media, not just Instagram. We actually use it to make our thumbnails. And if you'd like to see it in action, feel free to click the link below about how to make custom thumbnails for free on Canva. But once you're done with whatever graphic you want, if you click these 3 dots, you can send this straight to your Instagram business account. Now, this isn't actually a scheduler, not on the free version. If you wanted to use the free version of Canva, and a free tool called Trello, be sure to click the link for the video above on how to create a YouTube content calendar, because those techniques could be used for Instagram as well. But if you're interested in stepping up all of this on one platform and using Canva, if we look at the pricing, they do have a Pro Edition. With this Pro Edition, you can choose any graphic that they offer and you will not be charged. And they do offer scheduling social media content for up to 8 platforms. They have a yearly pricing at $120. If you don't have a budget for that just yet, you can do a monthly pricing of $13 a month. And because affiliate marketing needs so many graphics, that as a business expense is totally understandable for a newbie marketer. Speaking of expenses, let's take a look at the pricing structure for Bling. On the front end, it's going to be $17. They do have some coupons out, so you could get that a little bit cheaper. Upsell number 1 is going to be the unlimited version. That's going to be $39. Upsell number 2 is going to be the done for you CPA campaigns at $47. OTO number 3 is going to be $197. And that's going to be the done for you traffic setup. Upsell number 4 is $97. That's the chatbot upsell. Upsell number 5 is the Insta Drive at $197. Upsell number 6 is $37. This is the 6-figure training. Wouldn't you want your customers to have 6-figure training in the front end so that your product is a success and they actually make money off of it? But they choose not to do that here. And last but not least is upsell number 7 at $197. And this is the agency and reseller edition. All total, Bling is going to run you $828 for a product you can get for free, several different ways, several different options with just a little bit of research. Guys, if you want to use Instagram to start building your affiliate marketing business, by all means, it will be profitable for you, but not by using this Bling app. It's not as simple as 3-click. There is no secret Instagram hack, and it's going to take a lot longer than 59 seconds. Guys, if you finally want to quit chasing your sales and start building a profitable online business, be sure to click the instant access link in the description below to get your first 12 steps for free. If this video helped you out, please give me a like, subscribe to see when our next video comes out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.